Do you need a $300 chef's knife? Well, it depends on who you ask, right? The beauty of sharpness. Holy shit, look at this. All right guys, my knife has finally come in. I'm super excited to show it. I've been using this Wustof, is it how you say? This like pitchfork logo, W-U-S-T-O-F. It's like a German brand, I'm pretty sure. I've been using this for about 2 years now. That's as long as I've been doing the home cooking, and it's finally time to retire this and start a new journey. As cringe as that sounds, a new journey, a new chapter with my new knife. And I have that here. Just a disclaimer, I don't want to send the wrong message. So do you need a $300 Gyuto Chef's Knife? Well, it depends on who you ask, right? No, but on a serious note, I was looking at knives and like some of these like $150 knives looked super enticing and like would definitely like get the job done, especially for me who's just like doing home cooking. I'm not like in the culinary world or anything like that. Knives can get really expensive, and before I forget, like if you are like looking for knives, like go to like Perfection's channel on YouTube. This guy knows so much about knives. It's like a rabbit hole. You just go on his page and then you're looking at all these different types of knives, like Eastern, Western, like all types of things. A lot of good content, very insightful. But this just happened to be my budget for a chef's knife and what I felt comfortable spending, and here we are. So right now I'm gonna unbox it and we're gonna do first cuts. I just grabbed a bunch of like vegetables, like whatever was in my fridge. All right, let's dive into it. Right here I have the Miyabi Birchwood. Miyabi is owned by the Zwilling company. This one is made in Japan. The beauty of sharpness. We go right out of the box. Beautiful, beautiful knife. This is the 8-inch Gyuto. We're gonna do right out of box cuts. I've seen that this knife is very sharp right out of the box. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I had to do it. First cut's gonna be the printer paper. Holy shit. Oh my God. Razor sharp. All right, so let's see how thin of a cut I can get. Let's do an apple. I can go thinner than that. That is pretty damn thin. Holy shit, look at this. Let's do an onion. Oh my God, just cut right through like that. Let's do a zucchini. Oh my God. Let's see how thin I can get this. Look at these. I want to see how fast I can go with this thing. All right, I have like a baby green cabbage right here. I'm gonna cut this end off. Ooh. Shit, look at this. I'm pretty satisfied so far. I mean, what do you guys think? Right here, I have a beautiful piece of pork belly. Let's see. Ooh, look at this. I'm not even putting any weight into it. Like that, just like that. I'm cutting another piece. Literally just letting the knife do all the work. Let's go this way. Cutting through right through that fat. Jeez, that is nice. Gave it a rinse because I just cut some proteins, some raw meat. shiitake mushrooms. Holy fuck. Oh my god, I cut some of the mushrooms by accident. Literally just... That's it. That's all it takes. Cutting it right at the line. All right, that concludes the first cuts on the Miyabi Birchwood. Again, the knife doesn't make the chef. So even having a nice knife like this isn't gonna make me like crazy good at cutting and enhance like every facet of like my cooking in the kitchen. So it's just, you know, when it's time for an upgrade, it's time for an upgrade. And this was a sick video to make, so I wanted to show you guys my first cuts on this thing. Look at how thin this shit is. Paper thin.